Hello and welcome back. On this video we're going to be using the Tig Welding process using 12 litres per minute gas flow pure argon, and we're going to be using 80 amps as we are welding 3mm cold rolled low carbon steel. So as you can see from this first angle, our torch angle, we've got a slight 15-degree angle on our torch. This in essence allows us to penetrate into the bottom of the fillet, whilst also we can put a slight weave on, allowing us to build up to the top of our plate, to the top of the joint, and also penetrating into the bottom plate. It's very important that we go to the top edge and the fillet size is consistent throughout, and it also penetrates into our bottom plate. Sometimes people can get confused with a lap joint as they tilt the torch angle too high, which then burns away the top edge of the plate, or they put it too low and they end up with undercut down the joint. The ideal scenario is to point your tungsten directly into the corner of the fillet, penetrating into the material and fusing into both plates. So what we can see now is the actual welder's view. So as you can see, there's a slight weave to the top and the bottom, manipulating the pool very precise and consistently all the way down, whilst also dipping at regular intervals. This ensures that our fillet and leg length both remain consistent. Anyone who completes fillet welds, let us know what you struggle with or what you find easy in the comments down below, and let's see if we can help the people who are just beginning out. Just a little reminder, if you do enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. We have got a lot of exciting projects that we're currently working on that will be out in the not so distant future. Also give us a like, it really helps us out. And if you enjoyed this video, our next one that you can see on the screen now is the one that you should watch next, as it answers a lot of more questions on fillet welds. As always guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you in that next video.